Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Depends on wherever you are watching me from. It's your girl, your sister, mother, your one and only passion, Glow TV show. I'm here again to talk about something very, very important, as in very, very important. So, before I go to that, I have to show you something. What I want to show you, anyway, before I do what I want to do, can you see my face? How do you see my makeup? It's very mine. It's not the celebrity makeup. I know some will say, how did she do it? It's not big fine. For me, I'm cool. I'm just okay with the way it is. I'm okay. I'm cool. For me, it's fine. It's super fine. This is what I know how to do best. I do what I know how to do best. Before I get to the celebrity, you let me do the one that I can do perfectly well. It's okay with me and I'm cool with it. Just be okay and be satisfied. It's very important with what you have and what you know you can do. Thank you, everyone. Whenever you come across this video, don't hesitate to share, like, and press the notification button in case I upload any video, so you can always watch. As I always say, my show is all about entertainment. So this is all I do. It's all about entertainment. I want to show you something. What I want to show you is this. I hope you are seeing it. You are seeing it, yeah. This is foundation. This foundation, I hope you are seeing it very well. Okay. Now you are seeing it. This foundation is with concealer. This foundation is with concealer. So it's very nice. It's exactly what I'm putting on now. I know there are many people out there like me. As you can see, it's smooth and it goes with my color. It's foundation and concealer mixed together. Very, very nice. If you want it, you can always contact me, and I will put my telephone number below. You can always inbox me for it. So this I used to for myself. So let me show you. This, as you can see it, this paint is very nice. It's exactly what I'm putting on now. I know it suits me as a black person. So I don't know. I know there are people that out there that are like me too, that will like better have every other colors. But this is exactly the one I'm putting on now. I say, let me just show you. In case you have interest, you like it, you can always inbox me. As in, like this one now. This one is a pocket palette. You can always put it in your bag and go to wherever you want to go to. I have it, so you can inbox me for it. It's exactly the one I'm using now. It's not. It's mine. It's exactly the one I'm using now. It's very mine, and I like it cool like this. I don't like makeup when it's so. You understand? You know what I mean now. It's not so good, but like this. Just take a good look at it. When you can inbox me for it. Very good, nice. Let me bring it out for you to see. Okay, this is just the way it is. Small, as I said before, it's pocket palette. You can take it along to wherever you are going. Me, I have big ones, but when I just want to go out, I take this along. So that is it. So when I didn't fix eyelashes, as you can see, I use this one, big eyelashes. It's just a eyelashes shadow. So I use it. So to bring out anyway, somehow you are not seeing it very well because it's raining over here. Everywhere is somehow not too bright. So but you can see it. This is what I use when I did not fix eyelashes. So it will bring out my my eyelash a little up. So that is it. If you need this, you let me know. But for now, I don't have this one, but I just show you that this is what I use. This is mine. Then after that foundation, I use this MAC powder. You can get it where, I don't know, wherever you are, you can get it. But this MAC powder, you can get it in many places. So that is what it is. So now let's go there. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me start. Before I start, let me appreciate you, all my fans, wherever you are watching me, all over the world, wherever you come across this video. I want to use this medium to say thank you. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you. Super thank you is what I say to you people. You are all amazing. You are amazing people. If not for you, where would I have been? You are amazing people, my amazing family, my amazing friends, all over the world, wherever you are watching me from. As I said before, I'm your sister, your girl, your mother, and all. So I'm the one and only CEO of Passion Glow TV show. Please, whenever you are passing, you saw my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe and press the notification button in case I upload any video. Of course, you like and help me to share. Help your sister to grow. I know you all are lovers of good things. Very soon, I will be coming live, and I will let you people know when I'm coming live. So I will be coming live. So I will notify you people. So I will drop my number there. So we will be talking about some things that are very interesting. Then you can always call in and end your opinion. That is that. Please, when you see this video, don't mind, it's raining. It's not too bright because everywhere is not too bright. It's raining over here, and I bring you greetings all the way from Nigeria. I'm here. Corona driver center house. He don't lock una sister for here. He not let me come out. Make I go my house soon. Of course, I dey miss many of my people. Of course, I dey miss even my husband. Number one, they miss my husband. Corona driver center house, he not let me see where I go pass. So I did. As I was saying, I'm not going to take much of your time, but depends on how the discussion will go today. So I'm not going to take much of your time, but I just want to tell you some things. What we are going to discuss about, that I'm going to say now, is about the importance of having document and good one, not just having document, good one and that. There is no document that are not good. Don't misunderstand me, don't get it twisted. What I simply mean is that document that have a long time. For example, this corona now that just caused this whole problem, this pandemic all over the world that is trending everywhere now. Okay, now look at me. For example, I am here. I always use myself as an example. I'm here for like since January. I came to Nigeria. I'm still here now. I'm still here. 6 months. I came first week of January. I'm still here now. This year, I'm still here. It's going to 6 months now. My people, what am I trying to say here? It's just an advice that I want to give. And I know it's very important. So this advice that I want to give now is very, very important. When you are there in Europe, I'm talking to my brothers and sisters, anybody that come across this video, just listen. You will see one or two things that you will pick. So when you are there, I always say, first thing, when you are in Europe, even when you come new, the first thing you do is to secure your documents very, very tight. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Secure your document is the number one thing. For example, this a problem of coronavirus that is on now, that make the whole place, I don't know how to even put it. Okay, the airport is closed down. Even the local flight is not working. Okay, just look at the other day. The other day now, they said they are going to open the local flight on the 21st. The local flight will be flying. Automatically, that means if they open it, then the international one will, as well, will be flying. In fact, I was very, very happy. Of a truth, I will tell you, I'm tired. I'm very, very tired of this country right now. Not that because I'm tired, because I'm hungry, or because I don't have money. I cannot tell you that I still have the money too much, but even at that, but that is not my reason that makes me tired. I'm tired because, as I said, not because I'm hungry or because I'm looking for money. I did not get money to spend, to use. No, but the fact remains that you and I know where you are taking from, you are not adding. Is going. I've been here for 6 months now. Let's assume if I was a single lady, I don't have anybody out there. I'm putting myself in somebody else's shoe. If my husband is not there to be helping me financially, to be bringing money for me to be feeding, what will I have done? Or my loved ones that will say, mama, you are staying for long, oh, let me give you this. Have this. What will I have done? Imagine if I was a single lady now. I don't have anybody over there. What will happen now? I think I will be overstranded, not just stranded, overstranded. Why I say overstranded? Everything put together. I will think of my documents. How long I'm going to stay. Oh God. I will think of my work. I will think of money to use. It's not interesting at all. If it's a film, it's not interesting. The whole thing is just the English people will say the thing is pathetic. This one is more than pathetic. The story is not even good to hear. It's not good at all. Okay. Do you know that many people here now, this pandemic wahala have caused a lot of problem, a lot of problem. There are people that borrowed money to be doing business. The money they are paying with interest, but you tell me, such people, what are they going to do? Let's leave that aside. Let me talk. I purposely did this video because of my fellow brothers and sisters that came from Europe, that are stuck here now, that are stuck here like me. I'm not exempted because I'm here too. Even though that I know that anyhow, as they say, if worst come to worst, I can always find my way around to live when the worst come. But I just felt that it has not gotten to that extent. Let me wait and see what is going to happen. Not that maybe it's not worst already. The situation is worst. It's worst. There are people here, they don't even have what we call indefinite stay. They have only documents. Not just even documents. There are some people that will have normal documents, now they will still have maybe 4 or 5 years or whatever. But this one is not so. There are some people here now, their documents have gone. If I say gone, meaning the documents have expired here just because of this problem. They came with the mind that they can come and quickly go back. Many have lost their job. That is for sure. The white man will not be waiting for you all long. Many have lost their job. Is it everybody that have a long contract in their job? No. Some will be maybe yearly. Some of the job is even 6 months. Let me go and come back. This is the result we have seen. This is what he has turned to. In fact, me that is talking now, I'm short of words. I don't really know what to say. I don't know what to say. It's really a big blunder, big one. It's a big problem. It's terrible. It's terrible and horrible. This is why I said there is importance, the importance of documents. Why did I say not that the people that came here, they don't have documents when they came to Nigeria? They have. But what I'm saying is that if maybe somebody have, like, let me say what is going on now, people, since this problem came, people are arguing it in social media. They are arguing it. Many presenters are talking about it as well, like me. Yes, it's true. Why they are arguing about it? Some are saying passport is not important. Does it help? I know. Why some are saying passport is important? Yes. If you ask me, for me, who dem put sugar for a mouth wey go say no dey live? Who not like better thing? Even Bolale herself like better thing. Who not like better thing? I beg, no we forget that thing. The truth of the matter is that when you are a citizen, you have hope. Everybody that is a citizen right now, as I'm talking, that is being stuck here, their fear is minor. You understand? You know what I mean? Their fear is minor. If they wait and wait and wait and wait and wait, the flight did not open, they will cry out to their country. That is what it is. That is the plain truth about it. But what of the one that does not have this passport? I'm not talking about a Nigeria passport. I'm talking about citizenship here. So the truth just have to be said. The truth have to be said. There is no two ways about it. Don't get it twisted. There is no way you see it. No matter how you see it, the truth have to be said here. This is a very big lesson to each and every one of us. Very, very big lesson. It's a big lesson to each and every one of us here. This one have showed us, have really tell us, have make us to know what we should do first, those that does not believe. I always say to people, when you are in Europe, even though you just came newly, even though you don't have money now, you will always have money when you have documents, and the document, the good one at that, you will have money. And my advice to my fellow brothers and sisters, one big advice: risk is something that is very bad that you don't take, which many of our people, some of our people have taken in this situation. Ask me, why did I say risk? Yes, some people, their document is almost going to die. They still came here. Why can't you wait for the document to be renewed first? When you know you don't have indefinite stay, your document is still counting, you don't have citizenship. Of course, yes, it's not easy to get citizenship. It's not everybody that will get it one day. Fine, good and fine. But if you have indefinite stay, or even the normal, the one they call soggiorno, according to Italian, if you have it, if it have a long time, there will not be problem. Not when you know your document have maybe 3 months or 3 months, 6 months. For me, I for one, passion glow, I don't take such risk. I will not try it. I will not, because I'm so, as you are looking at me now, so passionate about things. I'm passionate about things in the sense that if I take such risk and this thing happen that we are now, I don't know where my enemy would have been now. I don't know, because I know I will cry my eyes out. Maybe my enemy will just land up in the hospital. Then maybe the people that doesn't know one or two things, they will say, coronavirus don't catch that woman when it comes from abroad. No, that is because my enemy will just collapse before my time. So that is why somebody like me, I will not take such risk. I don't do it, and I will never. That is a risk that somebody, it's not right for somebody to take. It's a very big one. That is a big risk. When your document, you know your document is like 6 months, 3 months, all those things. It's not even up to a year. You will take the risk and take yourself and travel out to Nigeria. Me, I don't do that. Maybe let's assume if it's a year, maybe I might say let me risk it, but I've never done that before my document got to the stage I am today. I have never traveled with a year document. I have never, because I have never, and I know I cannot. It does not just go down well with me because I don't risk things. This is me for you. I don't risk things. There are things I can do. I don't risk. I cannot risk such thing, because many people are stuck here now. Not just being stuck as in if they open, okay, make I dey manage. If anything when I say I eat, maybe my people go bring money for make I dey manage. No, some people, they have lost their document during this process. What are they going to do? I really feel for them. I feel for them. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Hey, I can imagine, let's say let me put myself in their shoe. I can imagine how I will be now, where I will be safe. I don't just know. Let's not just go there at all. It's a no-go area for me. It's a no-go area. My fellow brothers and sisters, I beg you all, this is a big lesson that we will learn. It's a very big one. Those that are fortunate, that are there, that are not here, that are in Europe, they have learned. They don't even need a soothsayer to tell them. I know they have learned a lot of things in this situation that just happened, this pandemic. 6 months. I cannot imagine myself, me that is talking to you now. I can't believe that I'm the one in Nigeria now. I'm still here. Doing what? My business is out there. My work is out there. My work is out there. My business is out there. I cannot do anything. I'm just here stuck. Each day that passes by, I will spend money. Where somebody's taking money from, you are not adding. It will finish. It will finish. Oh my God. It's a tough one. My fellow brothers and sisters, both you that are living over there in Europe right now, pray for your brothers and sisters that are here. Don't say it doesn't concern me. After all, I'm not the one that fall. Anybody can fall a victim of a truth. Anybody can fall a victim. Just be praying. We are praying also. Just be praying for them. Right now, I will tell you of a truth. I'm not really so bothered about myself, but I'm bothered about those that their documents have just expired here. What are they going to do? I know there will be a way around. My fellow brothers and sisters, anybody that come across this video, please, if you know anything, because they will be confused right now that they can do any way they can go about it after the airport is open. Just please leave your comments. Let me know. I'm begging you. I'm your one and only sister, Passion Glow TV show. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Do this for me. Do this for your sister. Do this for your land, your Edo land. Anywhere you come from, even though you are not a Benin, in as much you are from Edo State, please do this for us. Anywhere you are, even if you are a Yoruba, any tribe you are outside, when you come across this my video, please, I'm begging you. I beg you, in the name of God. If not because of me, just do it. Do it. Many people that knows me very well, if they come across this my video, They know that I'm not speaking for myself now, because I'm not in that situation of documents. No, that is having issue. No, my own is just for them to open and let me go. Which, if it happens, there will be an extent I will say I have my way. I can find a way out. I'm not here to brag or whatsoever. I'm not here to brag. I'm just begging you, my fellow brothers and sisters. Pray for your brothers, pray for your sisters that are here, that are stuck here in Nigeria. They are crying, they don't know what to do. They are really, really crying. Me, I'm here as the CEO of Passion Glow TV show to speak on their behalf. I'm begging you, please, my fans, those of you that follow me, please help out. And I need your support. I need your support. Whenever you come across this video, I will put my number there. You can always call. You can call. Please, when I'm on live video, you can call. You can call at any time. I will put my number there for you to call. When you come across this video, please call. Because many are confused. They don't know what to do. Please call to help them out. Even those, their documents have not yet expired. Some are still remaining some few months. If it happens that they did not open the airport and those ones not expired, what will they do? You can imagine somebody, let me say somebody have a year before coming to this place. 6 months is out of it now. In remaining 6 months, we don't know where they are going to. We don't know what the government is doing. We don't know what they are going to do, what they are even doing. We don't know. Please, help out. Please, help out. Help, please, I beg of you. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. In the name of whatever you own high esteem, just help your brothers and sisters. Help them, because many are confused now. They don't know what to do. Don't allow them. You all know the way Nigeria is now. I know we came from here, but we that have stayed in Europe for so long, we are no more living here. It's hard for us to cope. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's hard. It's hard for us to cope. You will see some of my people now that are involved in this now. Some now, they are managing. They may not even have money to buy cream now to rub their body. They will be thinking of what to eat first now, because somebody that has stayed here for long time now, if the person did not come maybe January, maybe because the lockdown has been since March. Let's assume the person just entered on March. The lockdown was, I can remember vividly. I can remember very well, vividly. Me that is talking to you now, I know that it was on the 23rd of March, they did the total lockdown. Because I fly down the way from Benin to Lagos on the 19th, which was on Thursday. I can remember. It's a thing I cannot forget. The situation have made me, this pandemic situation, not to forget, to put it in my memory, to acknowledge that date. I came on fly from Benin to Lagos on the 19th. It was a shock to me. If not, me too, I would have been Benin right now, but I'm here in Lagos talking to you. As I'm doing this video now, I'm here in Lagos. I came on Thursday. It was on Thursday 19th. On Monday of it was a total lockdown. I was just having the feelings that I came on Thursday. On Saturday, I went far to Idumota. I traveled. Do you know I was supposed to go on Monday of it? But my spirit tells me go that Saturday. I went. But on Monday, it was a total lockdown. The market was closed, everywhere was closed. You cannot go anywhere, you cannot buy anything. Because of this pandemic now, if you go to the market now, everything is very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. You can imagine how your brothers and sisters are coping here. Please, wherever you are watching me from, America, Canada, Europe country, wherever, please, anything you know that they can do, because many, I've heard many stories as I'm here. They are confused. They don't know what to do. Even those that their documents have expired now, they don't know what to do even when they open the airport, where they are going to go. Anywhere you know that it will be easy, anything you know that they will do, what they will do that it will be easy for them to come back immediately they open the airport, please let me know. Please, I beg of you, let me know. I'm pleading on their behalf. My own is for them to open the airport, then I will move. I don't have issue with documents, so that is that. Please let me know. You can leave your comments. I plead with you all over the world where you will come across this video and watch it. Please, I beg of you. I'm your one and only girl, your one and only sister, your one and only all in all, your one and only showbiz woman. Please, I beg of you. And don't forget, as I said before, whenever you are passing, just when you see my TV channel is Passion Glow TV Show. Please, I am the CEO of Passion Glow TV Show. Please, just don't forget to like, watch, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tap your notification button, that thing that looks like head, just tap it. Whenever I upload any new video, you will be alert. Please, I beg of you. I beg of you. I beg of you. I beg of you. I just beg you. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you. And I want to use this medium to congratulate my beautiful sister that gifted herself a wonderful gift, a mansion, a beautiful mansion in Lagos. I think it's Lekki, that is flying everywhere all over the social media. Yes, it's a great thing, a very great one, great achievement at that. I use this opportunity to wish her a happy birthday. I wish her a happy birthday again. I wish her every good thing that she wished for herself. Yes, she's a superwoman. You don't just have to be there. This is another advice to women. We don't just have to be there, including me. Let me put myself. I will not exempt myself. We don't just have to be there. The English people say what a man can do, woman can also do better. At times, so not all. Don't misquote me. Don't get it twisted. You see, what I'm trying to say here is that being self-dependent is very good. If the woman was not hard working, she couldn't have been able. She's just 35 years old to achieve that thing that she achieved. So it's a good one. I give kudos to her. So what the little thing I want to say about this, because I didn't want to just make that video separate as in to deliberate. It's not everything you just carry and be deliberating on and on. So I really came for this to talk about this, our brothers and sisters that have stuck here, that their documents are having issue. For us to, anybody that knows anything that the person can do, that they should just write and leave the comment there after watching this video, so that we know what they know what to do. So what I'm trying to say here now is that I want to use this opportunity to just say, because as I said just now, I wish my sister, that our sister, she's an Edo girl, she's a Benin, she's my sister. So I wish her a happy birthday, as I said before. So what I want to just say now concerning this, because I don't want to make it a different video to talk about it. No, it's not everything you just carry and start deliberating on, hitting and hitting on. Me, I don't do things because people are doing it. But when I see where I can talk about it, then I come in exactly what I'm doing right now. So the little thing I want to say about that, our fellow women make a break and down every way, anyhow. Make it for sink enter our ear, including me. I know so many people don't see that video now. They don't see that thing now. Many people, everybody is claiming. I claim it. Yes, it's very good though to claim a very good thing, to claim anything that is achievement. It's good to claim it. But you people should not get it twisted and make it to become problem for you people, because I know we women, I know whom we are, many of us, even though not everybody. I know what I'm saying now, I want to talk about now is that I know we women what we can do. Many will be there now killing themselves for it. As you can see, it's not her husband that built that house for her. As I heard, she was once married before. If it's once or 3 times, I don't know. That is not my problem. It's not my headache. I'm not here to talk about somebody's privacy. No. So she's now single with 3 kids, mother of 3 kids. She's beautiful. She's well endowed, and she's above all, she's hardworking. That is why I give her kudos and I call her superwoman. If I see somebody that do things the way I like doing, somebody that is hardworking, that is what I mean. I didn't say that I owned a mansion like her. No, I didn't say so. But I love hardworking. I know what I've achieved for myself. With the little I have achieved for myself, I give God the glory. I give God the glory. I'm happy and I'm content with what I have. That is what I want to talk about. Many people, they will not be content with what they have as they have just seen this one. Many people are not content with what they have before. Now they have just seen this one. It will be war. So it's not her husband that built that house, that mansion for her, that gifted her that mansion as a birthday gift. 35 years birthday gift. She gifted it to herself. It's because she's a hard-working woman. She built that mansion by herself and by herself. Onatago, hope you are hearing me. She built it by herself, for herself, by herself. So don't go there and start fighting your husband tooth and nail. No, and start making unnecessary problem. It's not her husband that built it for her. And put yourself in the situation where you know you belong. It's a good thing. I even like it. She brought it out and make many women to know. Many women that are not hardworking before, they will now learn. They will now learn. They will now try. You will say, you will be claiming something. You claim it, and you are there liability. You are not working. You cannot get that mansion with government benefits. No. Build the one, and you cannot even get that mansion with a fabrica worker. As a fabrica worker, you can't get that mansion, except you borrow the huge sum of money, which I know you cannot borrow money. They will not even give you money that will build such a mansion. As you can see to that mansion now, if you look at it very well, you can see to it. That our great Bini Edo, Ugbebo's daughter. She's from Ugbebo's family. So you can see. So work hard. If you want to own something, like you want to build it, not something like that. I'm not wishing anybody bad luck. One way or the other, you can even build more than that. It's a thing of success. But she did not go into crime to build that mansion she built for herself. So that is what I'm talking about. Don't go and involve yourself, because I know so many of our women, and they chew, cause they hurt. If they chew, cause they see that in us, they hurt their body. Oh, please, my fellow sisters, it's the women now this one concerns, because they are the one now that will be running head tasket and no, slow and steady wins the race. If for my own understanding with what I've heard so far, when they are saying it, whether she built it under 2 years, yes, that is because she is working. Do you know the millions of money that is there in that mansion, that she spent in that mansion? So slow and steady wins the race. Do sew your coat according The English, they used to say, sew your coat according to your size. No, these days, sew your coat according to your pocket, not according to your size anymore. Do your things. If you want to build a duplex, a small duplex or mansion, then carry the one you can build, though, not that mighty one, that big one. I use the word mighty because it's very big, but I cannot say it's mighty because it's only God that is mighty. That big mansion. So just, if you want to build a mansion, build the one your money can go with. Don't go and put your hand where your hand did not reach. Then you will start having sleepless nights. Don't do that. Onatago, don't do that. Just put your mind. This is the little advice I say, let me give to my fellow sisters, because I know now many of us now, we women, after they saw that video, their reasoning now is very different. It's a good thing to have it. Yes, you have to work hard. Me, I like that video came up so that it's like a challenge for those women that don't like doing anything. I don't want to insult anybody. I don't want to call them lazy women. No, I don't want to insult anybody. But there are some people that they don't like. They like to just stay. But by staying there like that, you cannot achieve what you want. Being a single or a married woman does not make you not to be industrious. Being a married woman taking care of children does not make you not to know your left and right. Being a married woman does not make you not to have an income of your own. Being a married woman does not make you not to work and just be there hanging everything on top of the man. If you are not working, it's either you are here or there. Don't just be like that. You are not here, you are not there. They cannot find you in ward A, they cannot find you in ward B, they can't find you in ward C. Where will they find you? Where will they find you? Women, wake up. It's time for you to wake up. Wake up. Including me, it's time for us to wake up. But though me, I have never been sleeping though. Since I was grown up, I've never been sleeping. I like money, I like maintenance, I like maintaining myself. You can see as I'm talking to you now, even if you don't know me, the little you are seeing of me now, I did say I'm wearing the expensive dress now. No, I'm just a simple person by nature, but those that knows me very well, they knows me. I'm an industrious woman. I am very, very industrious. I like money, I like maintenance, I like to maintain myself, I like money. I like money, not that I like money to go and be doing the wrong things to get it. No, I like business. Okay, let me use the word. I like doing business. And I work as well. There's nothing I don't sell. Forget this little thing I just showed you now. I'm just waiting to get back to my base, where I can do things in the atmosphere that I want, where I can do my things accurate the way I want it. I don't know much, but the little I know, I'm not Mrs. Know It, or I'm not Mrs. Perfect, but the little I know, I do. The little I know, I say. So I beg you, my sisters, use this opportunity. Those that are not, that are just there feeling reluctant. There are many women in Europe. Many of them, they don't like to work, but at times they use the children as an excuse. It's not the children, they don't like to work. At times the children they grow to the stage that they can go to work. They still did not go. They don't like to work. You can, this time we are now, Europe, we all know what it is now. We paid for everything. The water you drink, the gas you use, everything you paid for. Nothing is free, you get free. Nothing, you get free. So we paid for everything. We cannot just depend on our husband alone, or our those that have a fiancé, almost to marry. No, you cannot. And of a truth, come to think of it, let me tell you, When a woman is a liability, do you think these days any man like a liability for a woman? It's a lie. He can be saying I love you. It's a lie. It's a lie. No man loves a liability woman these days. Gone are the days. Gone. No man loves a liability for a woman. Gone are the days. So we ladies, please, let's wake up. Those that are still sleeping, wake up from your slumber. I don't mean any disrespect. I'm sorry, I'm your sister. I don't mean any disrespect, but I'm just stating the obvious. I'm stating the obvious. So I didn't mean any disrespect at all. I'm just stating the obvious. Somebody like me, if I don't have money, it looks as if my enemy is sick. Even though I'm not spending the money, I like the money to be there. Even you oreva. Iya bege. Me when we go be, even you whatever, ni ya beg or when malue, what's here? Or say na yo bow. Na yo bow. Ijo bow, ruda. Iga mi no jeve ide. Me ti mudia ko ye ga ti e no do deme o magi deme o wire adosun agui o me gu ale gbo ni o no da fun meri me maya ka wa da fun me de mi me o deme o so pon igi meni me na wa mi no je me imi ya do iwa mi ya do anything. For those that does not understand Benin language, what I just said is that I don't like depending on somebody. I like to work, at least when I have money. Anything I need that I want, I can afford it. And it's good for a woman to be industrious. You know why? When your husband is not there, you can still take care of some things. I know man is the head of the house. He is the one that is responsible for the house, the upkeep of the house. But there are ways, as far as Europe is concerned, we all know the way it is. We know what's up now. We know what it is up for them. We know what it did. We'll just put everything for our husband head. No, it's not good like that. By the time you can't do that, love no the sweet again. If you know get work, you never see the fine. It's understandable, the man go understand. But at least may you get something where you they do. Gone are the days where women will just date down, their liability, they know they do anything. Gone are the days though. All my life I've never been like this. That is why I'm here now. I'm not doing anything, I'm here now. It's like I'm being stuck. I don't like it. I don't like it. So, for my beautiful women out there, my sisters, it's just a little advice. Don't get it twisted. It's just an advice. It's a good one. I'm happy that our sister showed what she gifted. She gifted herself for 35 years birthday. So, I know many of our women, they must have learned one or two things. They must have learned. And there are many ways to achieve these things. When you want to achieve, you want to build a house. As a woman, you say you want to build a house, for example. Nothing passes you by. You are spending unnecessary money for unnecessary things. No. You must not do two things at a time when you are not a billionaire. It's only a billionaire and millionaires that have the money excess that do two things at a time. So when you are having a project, slow down on other things and focus on it and get it done. You will be happy. As you can see, that our sister, she's very fulfilled because she have achieved what she will still achieve more, but she have done that which she want to do, to give to herself in her 35 years birthday. So she's very happy. As you can see, you people see the way she was entering the house, the way they were showing it. It was flying all over the social media. It's a good one. It's a good one. I give her kudos. It's a good one. So the one your hand reach, you want build mansion, carry small one where you know say your money go enter, you go fit build. Not go put hand for the one where be say yes to come, you no go see the head, you no go see the tail. And another advice, gather your money. No carry and go house, go give person you dey here, you get money, go dey give them, make them dey do, and you not see the head, see the tail, wahala will come. No, gather your money. When you see say e don big, carry and go. You get paper, go do your things. If na wetin you go even go do 5 times or 6 times, anytime you get, go do am, you come back as you want am. Then small you go do and finish. But put your hand for the one where the size where your hand go reach, not the one where your hand don't reach. So that is that. In that way, the money you suffered for, we are not enjoying. We that are in Europe, we are not enjoying it. No, now. Even those that are in Canada, America, all of us, we are not enjoying. We are not enjoying. We suffer in Europe. White man's land is suffering. We suffer. Why did I say so? Waking up in the morning, going inside the cold to go and work, you want to go and work. Is that enjoyment? No. I didn't mean that is the suffering I'm talking. I didn't mean that we are suffering as in we cannot feed. No. For you to get your money, it's not easy. That is what I mean. So for that simple reason, when you have it, use it wisely. Don't allow any person to rob you of your money. Don't make that mistake. Many of our guests have made this mistake long time ago. They have made it. But many have now wise up. So don't make such mistake. Because now money is very, very hard to get. It's hard. Especially now, this pandemic that just happened now. Many companies have closed down in Europe. Many companies have closed down. So those that are still there now, it's only God knows the way things are going. So I beg you, my sisters, anybody that come across this video, even my brothers and sisters that come across this video, money is not easy to get, so use your money wisely. Thank you once more again. Thank you very much. It's your sister, your girl, your sister, of course, a mother. I love you all. I say thank you. Kisses to you all. All of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, kisses to you all. I love you very, very much. I can't love you less. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Please, as I said, help us out. For those of my brothers and sisters that are stuck here with their documents, help us out. Anything you know that they can do after the lockdown, after they open the airport, please, wherever you are, I will put my number there and put it on the comment box. Please just comment there. Tell us what we can do, what can be done. Then I will say it out. When I see it, I will say it out in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Anybody that is going to watch this video, I thank you all. I appreciate you all. I'm really, really grateful. Super, super grateful. Thank you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Passion Glow TV Show. Share, like, watch, and don't forget to press the notification bell in case whenever I upload, you will see it. You will be the first to see it. Whenever I'm on live, you will see it. Please support your sister, support us, support your sister, support your sister. And there are many things I'm going to introduce that I'm going to be doing live there's something that we are going to be teaching live, not just me alone, with our elderly brother, father to teach us. But I will say it next time. I don't want to say it now because I'm still waiting. I want to get back first before I start the show. It will be live, number will be there, everybody's just for us together. We will learn together. So keep supporting me, keep supporting your sister. Lovers of good things, I know you want me to grow. Keep supporting me. Thank you all, thank you all. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. You are all blessed in Jesus' name.